with your game, pop your shit, face on pretty, let's stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitches ain't got the like none, and they all think I got the type one. Pick one, take it, I got the right one. These fat bitches you like is my son.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and here we are with another update for my graduation dress. So I have a surprise for you guys. We're just gonna get straight into it because I have stuff to do, so I just wanted to jump in and make this video real quick. Now you're probably wondering like, oh, why is it white? Why is it white? What happened? I started a whole new dress. Let me back the camera up a little bit. I started a whole new dress, you guys. So here is my new dress. I like this so much better, and it's gonna be really pretty. As you can see, there's the ruffles, and it's gonna be long, probably down to my knees, probably a little longer than my knees. And I think I like this way better. So yeah, this is the dress. This is what I have, the ruffles, and it's gonna be really pretty. I already know it's gonna be really pretty. And I will be inserting a picture for you guys, so you can see what it looks like so far. I don't know if it's gonna pop up right now or after, but stay tuned for that so I can show you guys the update. But I really do love it. I really love it. So cute. I only have this much yarn left, and then I have another full skein of yarn, which is like, hold on, let me see if I can put this down without dropping everything. Make sure my phone doesn't fall. I have this skein as well. And you know I go shop at Michael's, so this is Loops and Threads yarn, just the white color. So I only have that little bit left, and then I have that skein. So once I'm done with those two, which is probably be today, I'm going to order some more yarn tomorrow. And I'm honestly thinking if I should just go to Hobby Lobby instead and try their yarn. But I think I'm for this, because it shouldn't be different. White should be white, right? Or should I just order from Michael's like I normally do? I don't know, but either way, that's my progress for this dress. And I think I'm just going to continue on crocheting until I don't have any more yarn, even though I already only have a little bit. I'm gonna continue crocheting until I don't have any more. But yeah, so I can talk and crochet with you guys. Hopefully you guys been watching my videos. If you haven't, I always ask how can I improve, so just let me know if you would like to see something that I haven't done already. Also, graduation is 16 more days. I have graduation, which would be the 21st. So you can see that I'm at crunch time with this. I'm at crunch time with this dress. I restarted over, and I still have a bunch, not a bunch. I have maybe like 2 papers, a discussion, and a quiz to do. And then I have 3. Yeah, I have 2 papers, a discussion, a quiz, and I have a final, 2 finals to do. But the annoying part is one of my finals are in person, so yeah, And it's only multiple choice, and I don't understand why the professor didn't just put it online. I don't know why she didn't just put it online. It just don't make no sense. But yeah, that's what I've been doing as far as the graduation dress. I wanted to make sure that I came in and updated you guys. I will have this dress done before graduation gets here because it's the only thing I have to wear. Now, I had originally bought another dress, but I couldn't fit it, and I ordered the wrong size. That's what made me start to crochet the orange and white one. I originally wanted to crochet the orange and white one. I mean, not the orange and white one, but I originally wanted to crochet my own dress for graduation, but I didn't get around to doing it. So I was like, let me just order a dress so I don't be aggravated. And then I ended up having to crochet my dress because, well, I didn't have to, but I'm like, let me just crochet my dress. But here we are with dress make number 3 because, yeah, 3 because originally I bought a dress. It didn't fit. It was pink and it didn't fit. It was cute though, but I'm still chunky, so that's what we got going on. As far as the update, hopefully you guys love the update, love the way the dress is coming out. And stay tuned to catch me on live because I probably will be finishing this dress up on live. And then I don't know if the next update will be me at the day of graduation so I can show you how the dress is looking, or if I do one more update for you guys by the end of today. I'll probably record another video to show you what the outcome is. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this update. I will show you the progress one more time at the end of the video. Stay tuned so you can see how it's looking. And I can't wait to get done. So I do plan on pairing this with silver earrings, a silver bag. I don't know if I want to do the silver shoes or if I want to do my white heels. Silver heels or white heels. So if you watch this video that far, comment silver heels or white heels. That'll let me know if you guys watched the video all the way to the end. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Stay tuned for more updates and make sure you subscribe.